Chin surgery can vary significantly in price depending on the technique used, the country where it is performed, and what is actually included in the treatment. In this video, we explain how costs vary between the UK, Turkey, and Albania, so you can understand what really influences the final price. In the UK, the cost of chin surgery depends mainly on the type of procedure and the complexity of the case. Chin reduction surgery typically ranges between 4,000 and 7,000 euros. Chin augmentation with implants usually costs between 3,000 and 5,500 euros. In some cases, a double chin procedure may be added to refine the jawline, with prices generally between 2,500 and 4,000 euros. Location and clinic standards also influence the final price, especially in major cities. Chin reduction surgery, also known as sliding genioplasty, is used to correct a prominent or asymmetric chin by reshaping the bone. The procedure lasts about 60 to 90 minutes and is performed under general anesthesia, usually through an internal incision inside the mouth, so there are no visible scars. In the UK, costs typically range between 4,000 and 7,000 euros. Recovery is generally smooth, with most patients returning to normal activities within 10 to 14 days. Chin augmentation is designed for patients with a weak or receding chin who need more projection and definition. It is commonly performed using a silicone implant and takes around 30 to 60 minutes, often under local anesthesia. Costs in the UK usually range from 3,000 to 5,500 euros. The result is immediate, with improved facial balance and a more defined jawline, while recovery typically takes about 7 to 10 days. When evaluating the cost of chin surgery, it's important to understand what is included. Most treatment plans cover the initial consultation, the surgeon and anesthesia fees, operating room costs, and all necessary medical materials. They also include immediate post-operative care and at least one follow-up appointment to monitor healing. Some costs may not be included in the initial quote. These can involve preoperative tests like blood work or ECG, post-operative medications, and additional follow-up visits. If surgery is performed abroad, travel and accommodation should also be considered, along with the possibility of revision procedures if needed. The final cost of chin surgery depends on several factors. The type of procedure plays a major role, as bone surgery is more complex than implant placement. The surgeon's experience, the clinic standards, and the geographical location also significantly influence pricing. Turkey is a popular destination for chin surgery, with prices starting from around 1,500 euros for simpler procedures and reaching up to 4,500 euros for more complex cases. However, not all packages include accommodation or aftercare, and long-distance follow-up can be more difficult to manage. In Albania, chin surgery starts from around 1,800 euros and is often offered within all-inclusive packages. These typically cover surgery, anesthesia, accommodation, transfers, and post-operative care, providing a more structured treatment pathway. Clinics follow European standards and often work with internationally trained surgeons, offering a balance between cost and quality. Understanding what influences the cost of chin surgery is essential to making the right decision. The key is choosing a structured treatment plan that ensures safety, clarity, and predictable results. Visit our website to request a free personalized consultation with our team.